how to fix please how to fix too many requests, please try again later error in Genshin Impact. Now, as a Genshin player myself who has reached around AR50, this problem has been I myself has encountered this problem before, but only when I sign in. And there are times when I sign in, the error pops out. So what I do is I pretty much just try again. Or maybe my password or login credentials are wrong. I do it again, and most of the time it does work. But if it doesn't, all I have to do is just try again in a few minutes later. Most likely it's just lag or whatever. As you can see, my launcher is on download right now. That's because my gaming device can't take Genshin anymore. Too many updates, and now I've stopped playing. Basically a retired Genshin player. If none of what I just said will help you, here I did do a bit of research. So here, pretty much unofficial Hoylab page, there is some person who has given the top 5 ways the error can be solved. So, and it would work again, but here are the top 5 ways this error can be solved according to the very unlucky person. So waiting, obviously, which I've just said, which did help for me most of the time. Using a VPN, for me, I wouldn't recommend that if you have bad connection, as that's just gonna make things pretty much worse. Changing your passwords, sometimes works, sometimes does not. I think I can recall myself doing this once. Here we have reinstalling Genshin or updating the game. Reinstalling the game was never an option for me as it would take hours. And updating the game and contacting Genshin support, which I've never done before, but it says here it's worth a try. But anyways, hopefully these ways can help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.